Hello, you know me by now, but if you don't, my name's just down on the bottom. I am Sheila from Thompson Leisure, and today I am going to show you a brand new Burstner Delfin. Now, this range actually came out in 2003, and after 17 years, they took it back, modernised it, and here it is today. Let me show you. So first of all, as you can see, this is in the mocha colour. This is the Delfin 727 layout. Now, this also comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, and here is your large garage as well. Now, in here, you will see your removable carpets. You'll also see your passenger seats for whenever you're ready to hit the road. Of course, this vehicle comes with a factory-fitted reverse camera just up top there. And the great thing about this new model is that's actually your brake light, the logo. Again, access to your storage on this side. Up above you have your huge awning, it's through awning. Let's go take a look inside. Come on in. So here we are in the home of the motorhome. Of course, this upholstery is just bespoke to the mocha Delfin range, and of course you see them lovely tones of mocha, the lovely dolphin in there. Of course you have the finished leather, which just really sets the whole thing off. Up here you have your multimedia system with your sat nav reverse cam, DAB radio, your aircon. Of course this one is a automatic, so you have your 9-speed gearbox, you have your USB ports, your additional 12-volt ports. You have a leather steering wheel, of course that's multifunctional as well, and that's got Bluetooth connectivity, the works. Of course this comes with Remus blinds. So above me here, I know it's hard to believe, but is your first and second berth, and that is your electric drop down bed, which I'm going to show you right now. Now, you can choose to bring that down as far as you want, or additionally it comes with a ladder, so you can just stop it there and climb up into your bed as well. So here is the kitchen of your motorhome. Of course you have your 3 gas hobs right here, you have your grill down here, and tons of storage as well. Over here is your fridge, your compressor fridge with a freezer box, and of course your TV bracket that comes fitted with the model as well. Let's go on to the bathroom. Now firstly, I just want to show you this door can actually be used as a privacy door to segregate the two areas. Of course there is this privacy door, which I'll show you what's behind in a wee second, but first the bathrooms. Here we are in the bed. No. So, bedtime. It's a bed. It's comfy. You understand that. Now, this is 2 singles set up right now, but you can change this into 1 large double. Let me show you. So you pull this piece of wood straight out. There's another filler that comes in there, and that's your large double bed. So there you have it, the Burstner Delfin 727, brand new, and it's just arrived in Dromore with us. If you want to come down and have a look at it, not a problem, it's right here. If you'd like to know any other details about the vehicle, how the seats are arranged for the passengers, anything at all, please drop us a comment under the video. Alternatively, you can send me a message at marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can send us a direct message on Facebook. You can give us a call on 028 9269 3999, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.